Okay, a very good morning children. Welcome back to online session of subject mathematics of 7th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So in the previous class we have completed the explanation of a multiplication of two or more fractions. So how the two fractions, if the two fractions are given and how we can multiply them, so that we have seen the with some example problems and how we can estimate that one in the pictorial representation also we have seen. So today we shall go on with some example problems regarding this multiplication of two or more fractions. So any type of fractions, either mixed fraction, proper fraction or improper fraction. Okay, so in this we shall see some examples. Examples are daily life word problems. So these word problems will be improving you in the daily life situations. So in the daily life situations, how we can use this concept, how we can use this so particular concept. So whatever the concept we are discussing, how that concept will be linked in our daily life, that will be used. Okay, these are very interesting problems, children. Okay, this will be very much useful in your daily life also. Suppose if you are reading any book or anything, so how much part you have completed from the total number of 100 pages book, how much part you have completed, so still how many parts are remaining. So like that you can able to identify and you can able to estimate and you can able to guess, okay, who has completed more number of part in one book. So like that you can estimate. Okay, so here this word problem we shall see. Okay, Narendra reads 1/4 of a short novel. Narendra, one boy is there. He was reading 1/4 of a short novel in 1 hour. So he took 1 hour. It seems. So in this 1 hour he selected one of the short novel. Short novel means one of the short magazine or any story book. Okay, so he took that one and he read 1/4 part of that one. Okay, of that book in 1 hour. Okay, in this 1 hour he read 1/4 part of a total short novel. Okay, so total novel is 1. So total novel is 1. In that he read 1/4 part in 1 hour it seems. Okay, so next, what part of the book will he have read in 2 1/4 hours? 2 1/2 hours. 2 1/2 means 2.5 hours. Okay, so 1 hour, in 1 hour he read 1/4 part of the total book. Okay, so 1/4 of a short novel means 1/4 into 1. Is it right, children? 1/4 into 1. Okay, so half means you know. So already I said half means multiplication. So 1/4 of a short novel in 1 hour. So in 1 hour if he read 1/4 part means in 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. So how much part of a book he was read? That one we have to find out. So for this answer there will be included very much for this type of word problems. Steps are very much important. So now we shall go with the solution. Okay. So how you should start with the solution? So what you should write? Okay. Part read by Narendra. Part read by Narendra in 1 hour. In 1 hour. So in 1 hour. Part read by Narendra in 1 hour. So how much part he read? 1/4. 1/4. Is it right, children? So I hope you are understanding like this. So the steps are very much important, children, for this type of problem. Directly everyone will do. Okay. So 1/4 part in 1 hour means in the 2.5 hours. How much means just unitary method. So in 1 hour 1/4 part. In 2.5 hours how much means 2.5 into 1/4. If you multiply means you will be getting. So multiplication of fraction directly you will be getting. But for this type of problems, steps are very much important in the school education, in your school education. So whenever you are studying in the regular basis, so steps are very much important as a theory part. Okay, so part read by Narendra in 1 hour is 1 by 4 part. Next part read by Narendra in 1 by 2 hours. 1 by 2 hours is how much? We have to find that one only. Okay, so like this you have to keep. So question mark you should keep. So this is only question. No? So there are only two sentences. Narendra reads 1 by 4 part of a short novel in 1 hour. That means part read by Narendra in 1 hour is 1 by 4. Next, what is the question? What part of the book will he have read in 2.5 hours? That is part read by Narendra in 2.5 hours. That one, you know. So this one now you should keep as a question mark. Now you should take as a unitary method. So what is unitary method? So this is given in 1 hour. That means in a quantity of 1. So in 1 hour, how much part he has read? 1 by 4 part. So in the 2.5 hours. So both are in hours only. Both are hours only. So no need to change anything. So suppose if both are given, suppose this is given in hours and this is given in days, then you should convert this days into hours, so that these two units should be equal. So centimeters and meters means both you should convert into either meters or any centimeters. Okay, so like that you should able to find. Next, in the 2.5 hours how much part you should do? You should keep like this. Next, you do the cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. So like this you should keep. So after cross multiplication, how you can do? So 1 into x. So that is x is equals to, say suppose this let it be x. Okay, x is a part read by Narendra in 2 hours. Okay, we don't know value, we should find that one. Let it be x. So x into 1 is x is equals to 2 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. 2 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So this one into this one. Okay, so these two are multiplication. So multiplication of fractions you should do. So before multiplying, first you should change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then only it will be easy for multiplication. So change into improper fraction. 2 2s 4. 4 1s 2 2s 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 1 by 4. What is 5 by 2 into 1 by 4? 5 into 1 5 by 2 into 4 8. So how much part he has read? So x is equals to 5 by 8. So x is equals to 5 by 8. So therefore what you should write? So 5 by 8 part in 2.5 hours. 5 by 8 part in 2.5 hours read by Narendra. Okay, like this you should do this answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this answer very easily. Okay, just taking the steps and making this into unitary method. So directly he given unitary method only he given. In 1 hour 1 by 4 part. In 2.5 hours how much part? So 1 into 1 hour 1 by 4, 2.5 hours how much? So directly it was given in the unitary method. So unitary method and multiplication of fractions and converting mixed fraction into improper fraction also given in only one problem. Okay, this type of problem is very important, children. So this is the answer. 5 by 8 part is the answer. If you want, you can convert this into the mixed fraction also. So what will be the mixed fraction for this? So 8 to 5. So 8 to 5 mixed fraction, it won't be possible. Okay, so just you keep 5 by 8 only. Okay, 5 by 8 is the answer. Suppose if the denominator is less than numerator, then it will be possible. Like suppose 8 by 5 is there. So for this type of problems, so for this type of answers it will be possible. Here answer is 5 by 8. So for 5 by 8 it won't be possible. Okay, so this is about the example problem. Now we shall go with one more example problem. Okay. Example 7. So seventh example we shall see. So what is the seventh example? A swimming pool. A swimming pool is filled 3/10 part in half an hour. How much will it be filled? Will it be filled in 1.5 hour? In 1.5 hour. Okay, so see children, a swimming pool is filled 3/10 part in half an hour. Half an hour means in 30 minutes. In the 30 minutes, a swimming pool is filled with 3/10 part. In the total swimming pool area, so 3/10 part is filled, it seems. Okay, 3/10 part. Suppose this is a swimming pool. So how many parts are there? 10 parts. Denominator is number of parts. So do this in a 10 parts. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 parts are there. So a swimming pool is filled 3/10 part in half an hour. So in the 30 minutes, so how many parts I should shade? 3 parts. So that means 3 parts I am shading. 3 parts I am shading. Okay. So in these 3 parts water is filled, it seems. Okay. In these 3 parts water is filled. Okay. So whatever the parts I have filled it, I have shaded. So in these 3 parts in the 30 minutes that is filled. So how much will it be filled? How much will it be filled in 1.5 hour? So for 30 minutes, this 3/10 part means for 1.5 hour. So for more than 1 hour, how many parts it will be filled? That is the question he is asking. So this is a pictorial representation. So for this problem, you better draw this draw this diagram as a sidewise. Okay, so that you will be having a good impression from the invigilator who is doing the correction. So if you mention compulsory, you should mention this one. Okay, this is a pictorial representation. Okay, so this one you draw the sidewise. Okay, after that now you do the answer. You write the answer. Okay, so how you should solve this problem? So in half an hour, 3/10 part. In 1.5 hour, so how much part it will be filled? So first write down the steps for this problem. So part filled in half an hour. Okay, part filled in half an hour is a 3/10 part. 3/10. Now how much will it be filled in 1.5 hour? So part filled in 1.5 hour. So this is question mark. Let x. Okay, just imagine that it is x. So part filled in 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means, can I write like this? 1.5 hour means half an hour plus half an hour plus half an hour. Can I write like this? That means half an hour plus half an hour is 1 hour. So 1 hour plus half an hour is 1.5 hour. Can I write like that? So that means, so if you add 3 times, 3 into 1.5 hour, so then that will become 1.5 hour, no? So can I write like that? So 3 into half an hour. 3 into half an hour is 1.5 hour, no? So like that. So here 1.5 hour means 3 into half an hour. 3 into half an hour. So here what you should, how you should write? So 3 into, so first write down 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour is equals to 3 into 1 by 2 hour, 3 into 1 by 2 hour. Okay, 1.5 hour means 3 times a half an hour. So if you add 3 times as a half an hour, you will be getting 3 into half an hour. So for half an hour how much part? 3 by 10 part. So 3 into, for half an hour how much part? 3 by 10. Okay. So 3 into 3 by 10. 3 3s. So 3 means 3 by 1. So 3 3s 9. 9 by 1 into 10, 10. So 9 by 10 is the answer. So x is equals to 9 by 10 part is filled in 30 minutes. So after completing this, after getting this answer, you draw remaining. So 3 parts you have drawn with a pencil now. So remaining how many? 6 parts. Remaining 6 parts you draw with another color pen or any other pen. Okay. So that you will be they will be having a clear difference. Okay. So 3 parts you have drawn with a pencil. Is it right? So remaining 6 parts you draw with whether any blue pen or black pen or any other color pen. Okay. So that it will be very easy to identify for the invigilator. Okay. So this is about this problem. Okay. So like this you have to do the example problems. Okay. Now here try this problems are there. Try this. What is this? Try this means you have seen. Okay. This one in the next class I will say whatever the try this box is there. First you try this. So as you try this, if you are having textbooks, see page number 37. In that page number 37, you try this box. If you didn't got means in the next class I will explain this one. Now I am going with the exercise part. Okay. So exercise part. What is the exercise part? We shall see. Okay. Just 3 bits we shall discuss and we shall conclude. Okay. Hope you are understanding these problems very easy. Okay. So exercise 3, first bit. So what is the first bit? Find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. So you should find the products it seems. So first one, 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. So 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. So you should find this product. So how you should find this product? So 5 by 6 into 7 by 11 means numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator only. Okay. Here multiplication is numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 5 sevens. So how much? 35 by 6 11s, 66. So this is the answer. So next, second one. So what is second one? Here in this bit I am explaining third one. Okay. So 2 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5, 3 1 by 5. Okay. Solution. So here these two are mixed fractions. These two are mixed fraction. First you should convert into improper fraction. Then afterwards you should do the multiplication. So multiplication with numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So first change this one. 3 2s 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3 into 5 3s 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Okay. Hope you are understanding. So denominator into whole number, denominator into whole number. So whatever the result you got that one, so you add with the numerator. So here 3 is there, here 2 is there. So 3 into 2 is 6. So 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3. So denominator as usual again 3. Next here 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Is it right, children? So 16 by, again here 5 is there. Same 5 you should write down. Okay. So now next down you write down answer. So 16 into 7. If you know 16 table you can easily find out. So 16 7. So what is 16 7? So 7 6 42. 7 1 7 8 9 10 11. So 16 7 is 1 1 2. So 6 7 42 2 4. 7 1 7 8 9 10 11. Okay. 1 1 2. Next 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, like this you should do the answer. So question is in mixed fraction. So answer also you should try, you should make it in the mixed fraction. Okay, it is better, very better. Okay, 15. So directly you should take three numbers, because if you take two numbers, 11 is less than 15. It won't go in a 11 table. So 15 6 90, 15 6 90, 15 7s 105, 15 7s 105, 15 8s 120. So 15 7s 105 you should take. So 2 minus 5, it won't go. So borrow 10 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. Next here 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next 1 minus 1 0. So 7 is the answer. So 7 is the remainder. So what is the answer? So whatever the quotient, that is a whole number. Next remainder you should write as a numerator, and divisor you should write as a denominator. Okay, 7 by 15 is the answer for this problem. Okay, like this one first problem, third problem. Second problem is very easy. 6 into 1 by 5 is it. So one is 6, another one is 1 by 5. So directly if you multiply 6 into 1, that will be getting. Okay, next second bit we shall see. So what is second bit means? Multiply and reduce to lowest form. You should multiply and you should reduce to lowest form. Okay, so what is the first problem? 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5, 5 1 by 5. Solution. Okay, how this problem will be done? See, so here first this is a mixed fraction. Now you should convert first this into improper fraction. So first, as it is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5, as it is I have written. So in the next step, so 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5, convert into improper fraction. 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 1 26, 26 by 5. Is it right, children? After writing this one, now multiply. So 2 into 26, 26 2s. What is 26 into 2? 2 6 12, 2 2 4 plus 1 5, 52. So 52 by 3 5 15. I hope you are understanding. So 52 by 5 15 is the answer for this problem. So he asked reduce to lowest form. So in the 15 table, does 52 goes? So it won't go. So you should keep it as it is. So if the number is going, if the numerator is going in the denominator table, then you should cancel. Then or else you should not cancel. Okay. If any two numbers are going in one table, then you should cancel. So here in the 15 table, 52 doesn't goes. Is it right? So you should leave like that only. You should keep the answer like that only. 52 by 15 is the answer. Okay. So next, second, 2 by 7, 2 by 7 into 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So solution, how you should do? 2 by 7, question as it is I am writing. Next, 2 ones, 2 by 7 threes, 21. So direct numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 2 by 21, in the 2 table 21 goes? No. So 20 will go, but 21 doesn't go. 22 also goes, 20 will also go, but 21 it does not go. So this is the answer. So keep it like that only. Next, third one. What is third one? 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. So you should do this multiplication. Solution. So first write question as it is, 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. Next, 9 5s, how much? 45. 3 5s, 15. Is it right? Next, so in the 15 table 45 will go. Is it right, children? So 15 3s 45. If you know 15 table, it is very easy to you. So 15 3s 45. So cancel. 15 1s, 15 3s. So 3 by 1 means answer is 3 only. So final answer is 3. So like that you have to do. Okay. Whenever the numbers are going in any one table, so you should cancel directly. Okay. So that the answer will be reduced to lowest form. So actually 45 by 15, but it is reduced to 3 with the help of cancellation. So like this you should do this second bit. Okay. So like this you should do this problem, children. So hope you have understood up to here very easily. So now I will give some problems regarding this exercise and one example problem. So try to do them as a homework. Okay. So note down your homework problems, children. One example homework I am giving. Example homework I am giving, children. A water tanker filled 9 by 14 part in half an hour. How much part will be filled in 2 hours? Okay, in 2 hours how much part will be filled? Same like a swimming pool problem. Okay, next exercise 3. Okay, exercise 3 homework. First bit, find each of the following. Find each of the following products. So this is the first bit name, children. Each of the following products. Okay, in the first one, A problem is 3 by 4 into 9 by 13. Next, B problem 4 7 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. Next, second bit. What is second bit? Multiply and reduce. Reduce means decrease. Reduce to lowest form. Okay, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Okay, so in that first one is 7 by 2 into 8 by 4. Next, B problem 3 by 12 into 6 by 6. Okay, so these are the problems, children. So second bit, multiply and reduce to lowest form. So how you should reduce means, after reducing there should be again no cancellation. So full cancellation you should do. Okay, so like that. Okay, so this is swimming pool problem. If you not understood this one, so once again you recall back a swimming pool problem, you can understand. But here 9 by 14 part in half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. So but in the 2 hours how much part it will be filled? So same like that you should do. Next, exercise 3 first bit. So find each of the following product. Just find the product. This one directly multiplication. This one convert into mix in proper fraction, and then afterwards you multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Next, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Okay, you multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, and afterwards do any cancellation if possible. Okay, if any number is having a cancellation, you do it and write the final result. So in the next class I will reveal these answers. Okay, so try to do this very easily, children. So in the next class we shall complete the exercise 3 part and and this try this bit. Okay. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.